Tell me, old man, where have you been? I've been reading those stories about chasing the wind. I guess I've come back with one or two. I've never really quite known what to do. Tell me, old man, what are you looking for? Has it been worth all you've given and so much more? Sometimes the things we seek skew the point. Sometimes the whole damn world seems out of joint, and it makes me wonder, and it makes me want to live. So I'll steal freedom while there's still some, and take the whole world in. If I could only leave my worries with the birds for the wind. I know one day there'll be solace, so I'll just live till then. If I could only leave my worries with the birds of the wind. Man, I know you've had questions too, the same ones we've been asking of you. You just roll on back out of sight, stealing away again like a child in the night, still full of wonder. And you still want to live, so you steal freedom while there's still some, and take the whole world in. And you learn to leave your worries with the birds of the wind. And you know one day there'll be solace, you just live till then. You learn to leave your worries with the birds of the wind. If I could